Yo, Anthony Antanasio. That's a nice name. My name is Nunzio Antonio Borghese, and io sono Siciliano. If you don't understand Italian, that means Sicilian. Okay, buddy? And I know you're celebrating 40th years in business, and your business is called the Appliance Doctor. That's a nice name. I don't know where you got it, but it sounds great. And I understand you've been through a lot of doctors lately, and you got stem cells, and you're also recovering from leukemia. God bless you, my friend. I want to wish you the best, and I know it's 2.5 years now that you kicked it so far. And I want to wish you a very, very happy 40th anniversary from Anthony, okay? And I want to tell you a cute story because, well, before the cute story, let me tell you this, my buddy. I had cancer twice, and I'm going to tell you, I beat it twice. Prayer, and hoping and wishing that you have nothing. Don't give up to this freaking thing. You take care of yourself and pray every day like I did. And you know what? I go to church every day, and my favorite saint is St. Anthony, of course, because I'm Anthony. You pick a saint. I hope it's St. Anthony too. And pray, my friend. I want to tell you a cute story, cheer you up a little bit. This guy comes home from work at 2 o'clock in the afternoon early, didn't feel well, and he sees his wife laying on the couch naked. He says, "What the hell are you doing on the couch naked at 2 o'clock in the afternoon?" She says, "I'm laying here naked because I don't have any clothes." He says, "You son of a bitch, you don't have any clothes, huh?" He rips the closet door open and he says, "Here's a dress, here's a dress, here's another dress, here's a dress. Hello, Charlie. Here's a dress, here's a dress. Did you get it? Antonio, you stay well and pray. God bless you, and let's talk again next year, or whenever you'd like to. I'm here for you, my buddy. God bless."